Hey guys, did y'all miss me? Cause I missed y'all. How y'all doing? How the kids, how the dogs, how the cats, how are y'all feeling? Today we are going to be doing this Kylie inspired eyeshadow look, and I'm kind of nervous to do it because it look a little hard. I'm excited. I hope it come out cute. I'm gonna be hurt if it don't. I'm gonna be so hurt. We finna jump right into it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to make sure to get this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, we're finna get straight into it. I'm going to be going in with my primer. First, I'm gonna prep the skin. Gotta put my moisturizer on first. I'm still gonna put it on top. I guess it'd be okay. I don't know. Let's talk about how everyone came into this era of like wearing nude colors. What's the word? It's not, is it what is the word? I don't know the word. Monotone? That's not the right word. Basically, everyone nowadays is trying to wear like nude colors. That's the trend nowadays. Don't nobody wanna, even like makeup, don't nobody wear like the fun colors anymore. Don't nobody do summer makeup looks. Everything is just natural glam. The basic brown eyeshadow. And I miss the colors. I miss the fun looks. Like, whatever happened to that? Why did everybody just die down with like doing colors, doing cute eyeshadow looks, different makeup looks? Like, what happened with the girls? The girls got boring, and I'm not here for it. Can we please bring back the fun makeup looks? Don't get me wrong, I love a good soft glam, forever and always, but the girls, that's all the girls ever do now. Nobody ever really, now some people, let me say some people, they still be showing off, you know, their creativity. I feel like I ain't say that right. But everybody do brown eyeshadow looks nowadays, and I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. Where's the creativity, guys? Like, where is it? Cause it's show not on YouTube anymore. Everybody just tries to follow the trend, and nobody wanna be different, wear different looks anymore. Everybody just wanna do the trend, the soft glam trend, the natural glam. I think everyone's getting out of the full face. It don't even have to be full face. Like, it don't even have to be full face. You can have the most natural type of face on. Am I in focus? You can have the most natural type of face on and still have a bum. I mean, I could. Eyeshadow look. For real. Okay. Let me pull up the video. I can say let me pull up the video. Let me pull up the picture so I can look at it while I do it. It's so freaking cute. This is cute. Like, that's a look for real. My eyebrows are cute too. Yeah. Okay. I don't even know where to start. Okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna zoom into this pretty face. So the first things first is what I need to do is conceal. I need to conceal, girl. Now I think I'm gonna go straight in with the lighter color, and then I'm gonna add the bright color first. And then I'm going to be going in with the darker colors last. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. palette. I got this palette from like, this is an old e.l.f. palette, the new classic. I got this palette from like, what is that store called? It's not Marshall's, but it's like TJ Maxx. I got it from TJ Maxx. So this is a real old palette, y'all. I'm going to be going in with that, and I'm going to be using the color Truffle. Not Truffle, I lied. I'm going to be going in with the color Darling. I hope this is not too bright. It's kind of dark. Maybe I need to go in with Truffle. Let's see what she hitting on. I'm gonna just go in with both. We gonna mix. And we just gonna put that all over the lid. And you're gonna go right into your crease. Don't go over it. Go into the crease. And pat it, don't rub. So now I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe 35G palette, and I'm gonna be going in with just a natural looking brown, and I'm gonna be going in first with that just over the lid before I go in with my dark color. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush. This is an old brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. And I'm just packing it on till I get my desired look. And I think this is okay. I think it's okay. And I'm gonna go a little down to like the crease, so it won't be so hard to blend the black out. I'm going to be going back in with my Morphe palette, and we're gonna see how to do this dark smoky look. I'm scared because I do not want to mess this up. And I'm gonna just start from the back. I got this winged brush. Let me show y'all. Okay. I don't know if y'all saw it or not, but I think I'd be smart if I had some tape, but I don't. And then I think she just pushes it to the front. Like, don't add no excess amount, just push it to the front. And do it lightly so it can fade out. And then I think it looks like she kind of brings it up as well. Like, just smudge it out. I'm gonna pack some more on the wing first, and don't get scared, y'all. We gonna blend it out. I mean, we gonna conceal it, so it's gonna be perfectly okay. Let me go the other way to like flick it out. And I think she just goes in with like a smaller brush with no products on there, and I want to say she blends it out upward. Just blend everything out up. And you can probably go in with a smaller brush. I just did it. Okay, just blend out that whole line that we just created. Okay. Now we're gonna go back in to smoke it out even more. That's what I think it is, just a lot of back and forth. And I'm gonna even flick some up a little bit. And be careful when you do this. See, now I'm gonna go back in and try to blend that out. Okay, and blend it out. even been in the camera. I've been focusing. I've been focusing trying to get that together. But now I think it looks pretty good. It looks smoked out. And I'm going to add some more, but let me just go ahead and define the end, so I can kind of see what else I need to add afterwards. So I'm going to be going back in my concealer and just add a little bit to your brush and just wing it out. And like I said, it probably was easier with tape. I was just being lazy and I didn't want to go get it. That kind of look cute. Hold on, cause that's kind of cute. And we're just gonna blend it down. Do y'all see where it looks kind of wonky? I'm gonna just get my brush and I'm gonna try to like blend that out. This just looks super clean, like. I think I wanna stop it right here. Well, like right there, yeah. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna blend it out. That's stinking cute. And I think for me, I don't think she had any eyeliner on, but I think for me, since I'm a darker skin tone, I think I'm gonna add me just a little wing in the corner just to make it more defined. But after I do the other eye look, I'm going to go back in and finish my face, and then I'm gonna finish the under eye. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna talk and chat back in. I mean, check back in with you guys after that. So. So yeah, I finished the rest of my face. Now I'm about to go in with the bottom so I can finish off my eyeshadow look. And for the bottom, I'm just going to be going in with this dark shadow, this dark contour in my That's Rich palette, and I'm going to be going in at the bottom with it. And I'm going to be using this small, I'm going to be going in with this small brush. I just went in with a little bit, not too much, and tap it off. And I'm just gonna blend under to smoke it out. Eyeshadow like under on the waterline be so cute, but I be so scared I'm gonna get eyeshadow on my contacts. So I be so scared to do this. That's why I rarely do it. And I feel like it'll all come together when I add a lash. I don't think she had any lashes on, but you know me, I can't not do a lash. I have to. I just have to. And she kind of had like a cat eye. Oh Lord. I don't know how I feel. It's kind of cute. She kind of had a little cat eye. I'm gonna try to go in with this brush because I don't want to get another brush, and I'm gonna try to like wing out the front. We're gonna try. We're on the tip. Let me put some just on the tip. can just do a little bit. I think that's all I'm gonna do because I don't wanna mess it up like I think I already did. When you're doing this, be careful so you won't get it. Like, be careful. Don't be like me and use this big brush. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna just add some liner to it to bring it all together, and I'm probably gonna add a lash. I'm gonna be going in with my e.l.f. No Budge retractable eyeliner, and I'm going in with the color black. It's so smoky. It's cute. It's cute though. It's cute. It's different. Now I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black, and I'm only going to add a wing to the end. Like, I'm not doing a full wing like I would usually do, because she doesn't have anything in the front. Like, everything is just smudged out in the front, and then she just have her little, I think she has a little wing in the back. Even if she don't, I'm adding it. And I'm not even going to go the full way. I'm going to go like I barely went, and I'm doing the tiniest wing, y'all. Literally. And if you mess up, just go back in. I'm gonna just go in with the dark brown. I'm not even gonna touch the black because I don't want it to look too dark. I'm gonna just go in with the dark brown from my That's Rich contour palette and just add a tiny bit to it just to blend it out. Then barely brush it on, like kind of just like pat it. Because I want that liner to be as blended as possible. Okay, I think that helped it a lot. I think adding that dark brown helped it a lot. It's kind of cute now. Let me see. And I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm always tweaking some, like, girl, if you don't hurry up, knowing you on a time schedule. Okay, I really want to add the lash. I feel like the lash might mess it up though. This is what we're gonna do because I don't got time. We're gonna add it, and if it don't look right, I'm taking it off, period. So y'all, this is the final look. This is my Kylie inspired makeup look. I think it turned out so cute. Even the bun is giving. Y'all. Like, this is so cute. This is giving, it's giving classy, it's giving housewife. Like, this is giving the makeup, the hair, the whole thing is just giving. But that is all for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you guys feel about this look. And let me know if am I giving or am I giving? Okay, just let me know how this look, and bye y'all. See y'all in the next video.